Check out this 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, automatic transmission, bed length, 78.9, clock, in-radio display, cruise control, cylinder deactivation, daytime running lights and dusk sensing headlights. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.